Something that you're doing is actually working. You got to trust that. Sometimes it's hard. Something hits you in life so hard that makes you just say, you know, I can't even think straight. But whenever you get back to reality and you realize what you're doing is touching somebody somewhere, it's always just difficult to do anything on your own. But just know, here in Sabine Parish, we do have some very talented people and some very, very motivated people that knows what they're doing. And if you think just a small chance that they might actually come through with this, take a chance. One thing I would tell everybody that watches this video, don't stop believing. If there's something that I've learned doing this, nothing's impossible. My name is Jared Bridges and I'm from Zwolle, Louisiana. Well, when I was a child, I really didn't see myself as a performer. I see myself as a I guess you say everyday normal person, nothing really out of the ordinary, until I started singing at church. Honestly, when I first started, it was just a weekend warrior type of thing. I worked on the drilling rig 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off. And when I came in, we would all get together and we would just jam, and you know, we actually made a little extra side money, but as it progressed, it kind of got bigger and you know, more people behind it, and before I knew it, it bloomed into what it is today, which you know, I'm grateful for, because without having that weekend warrior mentality, I may never even got this far. Before I get on stage, it's just nerves. I told myself when I first started, if I ever stop being nervous before a show, I'm done. After, I feel like I give enough that I feel satisfied. Because people come and they pay their good hard-earned money that they worked all week long for, you know, just to pay some money to come in and hear you, you know, do your thing. Really, I think starting in a smaller town kind of gets you, a weird way, a little leg up on the big towns, the big cities. You know, country music, it's where I live. That's what they're singing about, so we get to sing how we live. I'll always be hometown proud. I'll take Zwolle's name wherever I go, Sabine Parish wherever I go, and never once will I be ashamed to admit it. I just want to keep pushing, never take a step back. I've never been the type to want to take a back seat to anybody or anything. And everybody that wants to know if we're still going and pushing forward, yes we are. Everything that I've put into this and everything that I've done and all the effort, everything, if it ended tomorrow and never went another step further, I can honestly say that I'm proud of myself for trying, number one. Number two, it made me love my town even more because it showed how much support I do have. And number three, it's been one hell of a ride.